Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to hide following list on Instagram. Now first of all, open the Instagram application inside your mobile phone, and once you open the Instagram, you can just see your profile. Just click on these three lines which is on the upper right corner. Just click on these three lines, and once you see those lines, just scroll down and you will see multiple options like just scroll down and you inside the who can see your content, you can see your account privacy type, which is the first option. Just click on account privacy and make sure that you have turned on the private account type. If your account is professional, you can't turn it on, like you can't turn it on the private account. Make sure that your account is normal, and after that make sure you make your account private. Now once you turn your account private, after that your following or the followers list will be hidden from the normal public. Only the people who like follow you can see the following list or the follower list you have on the Instagram. So that is a simple and pretty easy process of how you can do that. Simply go to the account privacy, turn it on to private, and you're done. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix that.